Did I not just touch you?
Huh?
Oh, what? Don't do it.
Springfield'da sıradan bir aile içi çağrıya giden memur Rosario birazdan kariyerinin biteceğinin farkında değil. Evde sinir krizi geçirip cam masayı kırarak ortalığı dağıtan genç kızın ardından bu sefer de 19 yaşındaki abisiyle memur arasında ciddi çekişmeler oldu.
How we doing, bud?
Shit.
Better, huh? What's going on, man?
See how this
What's going on, man?
Well, my daughter, she just like flipped out a while ago about a money deal. Tells me I owe her like $40 for changing hers. So she started flipping out.
Yeah?
She done turned over a couple totes and shit. Then broke my glass table that was on my front porch.
Okay.
So yeah, she's having a trip move right now.
She already got domestic. She don't.
And she's been in trouble with the police in the past. They said that she keeps on she can go to juvenile for that.
That's domestic.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, they got her for domestic.
Hold on, time out. The other two officers that responded like less than a week ago about the same type of shit. Them little motherfuckers didn't do shit. And it's been an ongoing damn thing. And she's 1 point away from juvenile, but they won't take her.
Burada kendinden çok emin olan 19 yaşındaki bu genç kavgaya giden ilk kıvılcımı başlattı.
Yeah. Well, that has nothing to do with us. As far as them taking her or not, you know what I mean?
Right, that's absolutely
But what,
correct. You're
but-
correct.
Where's she at?
Man, shit, you make a big ass circle around here. She couldn't have gotten far. 50 feet.
Only thing I told her I was
Man,
getting ready to call the
do a
police
fucking
because she
full-scale
turned up about 3 totes in my house. She busted a glass table, which table's no good, but she still had no business breaking my glass table
Absolutely.
though.
Absolutely. She took
And-
off.
Yeah.
Do you know which way she went?
No,
That
I didn't
way.
see. I was
She
in
went
the
that
house
way?
picking up some stuff.
She went-
Listen,
she went that way.
Looney Tune joggers and a motherfucking pink sweatshirt. Which one is it? It's
Mine's
Keely.
16-year-old
It's
Keely.
16-year-old.
My 16-year-old Keely.
That's
You want to see if you can find her? I mean, we got at least criminal damage.
Man, that's criminal damage. That's domestic. Come on. She at least getting 2 charges. And if y'all don't give her both charges, I want both y'all badge numbers.
Oh, here goes the
Man,
bad
I ain't
numbers.
going for that shit.
Well, you know what? No offense, but if you're gonna hear, okay, keep walking then. Keep walking then.
Yeah, he always says that badge number and all this and he just goes
Yeah. First of all, you're not a police officer, right?
Well, I know exactly
Did you go to law school?
I
Did
know
you go to
exactly
police
what-
officer
but
school?
look, I know
You have a
exactly what
badge?
I'm-
Did you go through the academy?
No, I
So
went
do you
to
know the
court.
charges or no?
Man, I know
So you went to
charges.
court once or
The same
twice,
shit
so all
I
of a
done
sudden now
did.
you know the law?
No, I went
So
to
you
court
went to
more
court
than
once or twice, so all of a
No,
sudden now you know the law.
twice.
First of all, don't tell me how to do my job.
Normalde polisler karşı taraf haksız olsa da tartışmaktan kaçınmaya çalışırlar. Ancak burada profesyonellikten uzaklaşmış, kontrolünü kaybeden bir memur görüyoruz.
All right, I just fucking got here. I just got
But you're
here.
not doing your job.
You don't even know me.
Shut up.
He did say
Man.
If you want to do something then, son. Little kid, little kid.
He just
Don't-
basically
I
saying
just got here.
And-
Trying to threaten me, son? You call me over here and then you trying to threaten me, son?
Goddamn call you
I'll
nigga.
ought to slap you on some silvers and take you down to county. That's what I gotta do, 'cause what you gonna do? False arrest?
What you gonna
False
arrest me
arrest?
for?
You didn't just point that stick at me? You didn't just point that stick at me?
Is your camera on,
Yeah.
motherfucker? Is your camera on?
You see that red dot? It's
What?
on. It's
Is it on?
on. It's
I'm
on
getting
with
the
your scary
fuck-
ass.
I ain't
Okay,
scared, nigga.
sure,
You better watch what you
sure.
say. Without
No,
that
you watch
badge
what you
next
say.
to
You
the
watch
phone,
what you
ain't
say. You watch what you say,
I ain't
kid.
watching
I don't
that.
know who you think you're talking to, but first
Shit.
of all, you don't talk to me like
Yeah,
that.
alright.
You understand that?
I'm not
I'm
no
here to
kid.
help you.
You ain't
I'm
here
here
to
to help
help me.
you.
You here to help
And
them.
all of a sudden, before I even
No.
got here, you like, y'all motherfuckers ain't gonna do shit.
Get out
I
my
just
face.
got
Get
here.
out my face.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you with your
little
scary
rookie
ass.
bitch.
I'm right here,
You little
motherfucker.
rookie bitch.
I'm right here.
You a rookie bitch.
Shut up.
Bitch, that's police brutality.
Is it?
Yeah, bitch.
Is it? Because you went to court once or twice?
You mean? I know my laws, bitch.
Ma'am, if we find her, she's gonna be arrested for criminal damage. Did she hit you today?
Fuck you mean? Put your hand
Shut the
on your
fuck
head,
up.
nigga.
Did she hit you today?
Fuck you.
I'm not a fucking nigga. You watch your fucking mouth.
She
I
put
said
her
what I
hands on
want.
the back of my
She
neck.
did hit you today?
No, she didn't.
We in
She just
America.
grabbed the back of my
She
neck.
did? I know where the fuck we
We
at.
in
Oh,
America.
come on, really?
America.
You don't see this bracelet right here?
Do
What
you
have you
not
done
see
for
America,
America?
motherfucker?
What you done for this
Fuck
fucking
you mean?
America?
You ain't did shit for this.
Clean up the fucking glass,
I ain't
bitch. You ain't
clean
done
up
shit.
bitch.
Shut
Fuck
up.
you mean?
Shut up.
You little wannabe
You fucking scared.
cop,
You
bitch.
scared. I'm right here, man. You
Man,
scared.
You scared, bitch.
You fucking scared.
As soon as I put my hands on your punk ass, I know how it's gonna go.
I'm not even gonna take you to jail. I'll give you the freedom of that.
Man, you a goddamn liar.
You want to put one or two?
Shit.
Really?
See, I'm not stupid. You ain't about to mace me.
I won't even. I'm turning down my radio so I can hear the bullshit coming out of your mouth.
Really? I call you out here for my purpose, and you
Yeah.
and my son are, come on now, really.
Well, first of all, your son's got a fucking mouth on him.
Yes, he does. I know he does.
Yep.
I know he
And
does.
now I can see why your daughter's acting all out of control.
Thank you.
So first of all, discipline needs to be an issue.
Ain't no
All right?
discipline.
Shut the fuck up.
You shut the fuck up.
Discipline needs to be an issue, man.
Rosario, evde uzun zamandır bir disiplin sorunu olduğunu, kızın bu yüzden ortalığı dağıttığını iddia ediyor. Ardından kızın abisiyle karşılıklı küfürleşmeye başlıyor.
You stupid
Go
motherfucker.
back to Mexico.
I ain't from Mexico.
Fuck you mean?
Zaten bu noktadan sonra olay çok farklı yerlere gidecek.
Obviously, there's a
I'm not no
disciplinary
juvenile,
issue
nigga.
right
I'm
here.
an adult.
Okay.
You ain't about to put me in no damn juvenile.
Okay. Okay. You want to throw some hands, man? We can throw some hands,
Yeah,
and
like
I
I
won't
said,
even
why
arrest
that
you, man.
badge in
I'll let you go right in there. Oh, like I've never
Yeah,
heard that
God.
before. Like I've never heard that
Badge in
before.
uniform, the only damn thing that's saving y'all ass.
Like I've never heard that before.
USA bullshit, that badge in
Like I've never heard that before.
Man, y'all go around Springfield like y'all the
Like I've
biggest
never
shit
heard
ever.
that before.
Y'all go to Chicago, they gonna lay y'all ass.
Okay,
Fuck you
okay.
mean?
Like
They
I've never
gonna
heard
lay
that
your
before.
white ass.
Like I've never heard that
Go
before.
back to Mexico, nigga.
So I ain't
Shit.
from Mexico, you stupid
Go back
motherfucker.
to Mexico.
I ain't from Mexico.
Fuck you mean?
So anyways, that's what we're looking at right here. So if my partner can find her, that's what we're gonna go with, okay? Hopefully she'll make enough points and then we can take her to YSB.
Can I have your
All right.
badge number? I want your badge number.
The Juvenile Detention Center.
Can I have that? I
Yeah.
need that. I need that badge number,
All right.
sir.
So, however, if she
Put your
comes
hands on me.
if she comes
Yeah,
back
you
here,
need
you
the
need
number.
before we
Yeah.
find her, you need to give us a call so we can come back and address the issue of all this earlier. You understand what I'm saying?
I
So
have
just
your
because we don't find her now doesn't mean she's gonna she's gonna escape free. You know what I mean?
I understand what you're saying.
But where would she go though?
I don't have no clue. I don't know who she know or who she don't know. I don't know.
Okay,
I don't know. None of my kids' friends or nothing.
that's fine. That's fine. So she's mad about $40.
Well, $40 is legally mine, and she says I owe it to her.
She's a juvenile.
Exactly.
She ain't got
I
no
don't
money
owe my
entitled to
kids
her.
anything.
Period.
I don't owe kids anything.
No, you don't.
I don't.
Mom does not owe kid nothing.
No.
No.
Absolute. Thank you. Thank you.
No, mom does not owe kid nothing.
Thank you. Thank
No.
you.
So you should be good to go. And besides the fact whether that table was good or not, it still doesn't give her the right to do all this.
No, it wasn't right for George. Right. It wasn't.
Much less put her hands on you either. So
No,
has
true.
she done that before?
But, yeah, in the past.
She has?
Yeah.
About how many times?
Oh God.
That many?
About that many, yeah.
Okay.
But my question is, if y'all find her, she go to jail. She goes to court tomorrow. She's a judge, whatever.
Unfortunately,
I
what the
don't know.
judge does after that is beyond me.
That's what I said.
He's
She go to-
above
yeah,
me
she go
all
to work
day.
The next day, the judge, whatever.
Yeah, that's the crappy part. You know, I can only do my part, which would be call YSB, the Juvenile Detention Center, put some points on her. If she meets, take her down there. But then after that, man, whatever Sangamon County District Attorneys do, that's above my pay grade. Yep.
I understand.
So,
The red light ain't on.
so,
Oh Jesus!
Yeah.
Why is you messing with the
So
baby
can I have your
police?
badge? I mean, you just pushed me. I mean, I want that number.
I pushed you?
Yeah, you pushed the shit out of me, dude.
Oh, really?
I want that number.
So you scared now?
No, I ain't
Is that
scared
what
shit.
it
I
is?
want your
Okay.
number, though.
Okay.
Motherfucker, I can't touch you, but I can touch
Yeah,
your
okay.
number.
Yeah, okay.
Fuck you mean?
I told you
Give
you
me that
could.
badge number.
I told you you
Give me that
could.
fucking number.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, you bitch. Give me that
I told
damn
you you
number.
could.
Again, round
Give me that
two.
goddamn number.
I told you if you
gotta
want.
give me your
Told
damn
you if you
number.
want to throw hands.
No, I'm not gonna touch you, you bitch.
Yeah, 'cause
Give
you
me that
scared.
goddamn
'Cause you
badge
scared,
number.
dude.
Give me that
'Cause you
fucking
scared,
number.
dude.
Why don't you want to give me your
Because
number,
you fucking
bitch?
scared, dude.
Fuck
What's
you
your last
mean?
name, man? What is it? I'm sorry. Yeah, you scared, dude.
You're
You
a
can keep running your mouth, but
You're
you
a
still ain't gonna
wannabe,
do
though.
nothing. I'm standing right here. You still ain't gonna do nothing.
Still got your faggot
'Cause
ass.
you scared.
Fucking Lord.
Would y'all come get your brother, please? Would y'all come get your brother, please?
You can't control them.
No,
You can't control that.
Okay.
One. That's mouth to south. So-
yeah, I could tell. I could tell. I could put some hands on. Oh, okay, push you again, right? And then
Put you in your
And then
shit.
I do it, and you
Then
still
I'ma
ain't gonna
put you
do
in your
nothing.
shit.
And you still ain't
Then
gonna do
I'ma put you in
nothing.
your shit.
All day, you still
I'ma
ain't gonna
put
do
you in your
nothing.
shit, Mexico.
Still
Touch
ain't
me
gonna do
again.
nothing. I'm right
Touch
here,
me again,
man.
Mexico.
I'm right here. Damn, is that all y'all do on the east side? Is
No,
run
no,
your
it
fucking
ain't
mouth?
all we do on the
Is that
east
all
side,
you do
no.
on the east side? Is run your goddamn mouth? You all think we're just a bunch of bitches?
Fuck.
You think I'm supposed to show up and have you run your fucking mouth?
Rosario, tartışma boyunca sözleriyle genci açıkça tahrik ediyor ve bir noktada etnik kökenine yönelik aşağılayıcı ifadeler kullanarak gerilimi daha da arttırıyor. Birazdan sadece konuşmakla kalmayacak.
Come on then.
Fucked up.
Come on then.
Push me again,
I'm right
I'ma
here.
push your
Push
shit.
you again. I pushed you once and you scared. That's why you didn't do nothing.
Your
You scared.
On, bitch.
My camera is on.
Now it's on, bitch.
My
Nigga,
camera's
red dot
been
is
on. My
Fuck you
camera's
mean?
been on.
look
You scared? Come on.
You look, like,
You scared, right?
Camera right next to you.
You
nigga.
scared, right?
You better keep that camera.
You scared? You want me to leave it in my car? Is that what you want?
Keep that camera
fuck
with you. That
You
ain't
want me to
that
leave
damn-
it in my car?
You better
What-
keep that whole damn uniform.
What do
come
you
back
want
over-
me to do
Look,
for you to put some hands on me?
Just come back over.
You want me to put my pistol away? You want me to put my badge
Just
away?
come back over without your uniform and shit.
Okay, I'll be
Fuck
back
you.
tonight then.
Yeah, come back tonight.
Okay,
Come back tonight.
but in the meantime, I'm right here.
No, I'm not gonna touch you while you got
Yeah,
your
of
uniform
course
on.
not. You're not. You scared,
No, I
son.
ain't
You run your
scared,
mouth,
but
but you scared.
I just ain't gonna get that charge on no.
You run your mouth. He's scared. I just told him I wasn't gonna arrest him. I'm not even gonna tase you. I'm not even gonna mace you. I'm gonna give you these hands, and you still gonna run your mouth. You still scared. He's scared. Am I right or am I wrong? You scared, right? Is that how we do it on the east side, right? You want these hands, you can have them. I won't even arrest you, son. You scared. You a bitch. That's what you is. You a bitch. That's why everybody around here gonna fucking punk your bitch ass. Cause you ain't nothing but a pussy. Fuck you.
You bitch.
Yeah. What's your last name, man? Dude, I'm done with you, dude. If you ain't gonna throw hands, then shut the fuck up.
Like I said,
talk
bring
about
your
neither
bitch
one of
ass
y'all.
over and touch me one more
If you ain't
time.
gonna,
Oh,
if you ain't gonna fucking throw hands, fucking do something. Yeah. Did I not just touch you?
Back
Huh?
off.
Did I not just touch you?
okay. Okay, got one here, one here, one here. Cody's trying to fight him. Cody's trying to fight him.
He's good. He's good. He's good. Don't do it. Don't do it.
The rookie started first. Oh, see, that's so bad.
You alright? Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
He's good. Don't do it. Don't do it.
What the fuck?
Done?
You pussy bitch.
Alright.
Run your
alright.
fucking mouth.
Hold on, what the fuck?
Done?
Don't arrest him. Don't arrest him.
What the fuck?
Okay,
See, I thought it was gonna be a one-on-one. What type of shit was that?
Partner didn't fucking do nothing.
Man, you
Pussy ass bitch. Fuck you.
man, what's up?
You scared.
What's up?
You got
Done.
these hands.
I'm
You scared.
scared. I'm scared, huh? I'm
We're
scared.
done. We're done.
We ain't done.
We're done.
Fuck that shit.
Done.
We is not done on this.
Done.
Fuck that
Done.
shit.
We're 10 for
You tougher than a bitch. You a hoe ass nigga. Fuck you mean.
He's running his mouth. So
Cameras are on the floor.
I got a kid. What they want to start shooting? What the fuck?
yeah,
Like I told you, Jim.
you ain't about that life, kid.
Like I told you.
Oh, wait, I got.
told you,
Hold
ain't about
on.
that life.
Hold on. I got.
Now go
kids.
inside.
Like I told you, bitch.
Go inside. We done
Like your
here.
man's ran up.
Pull it. Pull it.
Don't do
We
that shit
done
again.
here.
I'm telling you, don't do that shit again.
Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that, man.
Bitch, who swings?
I'm not involved with
when
that.
they ain't looking at your right. Who does that shit?
Kid, you done, man.
Nah, you done, bitch.
What's your first name, man?
Fuck you mean?
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, but you know what it is? I'm tired of you talking to you like that. If you man, you want to act man, you better be a man.
I'm just telling you right there.
You guys good? Oh, I'm good.
You know that, right?
670.
Yeah. That wasn't fair, man. Why didn't you let me slam that bitch?
I didn't even
Come on
touch
now.
you, man.
Man, but you came
Okay,
up behind
look,
me with that
look.
gas taste.
Don't
You
talk
came
to
up
me.
behind me with that
Don't
gas
talk
taste.
to me like that, man.
Man, why didn't you let me slam
I'm not
that bitch?
involved. I'm not involved
Why
with
didn't you
that.
let me slam
Don't
that
let me.
bitch?
Don't
Why'd
talk
you
to me,
guys talk
okay?
about put my hands behind my back?
Don't
Why'd
talk
you
to
let
me.
me beat
I'm
his
true
ass?
to my word.
Yeah,
I'm
you
sorry,
true
man,
to
but
your
I'm true
word
to
until
my
your
word.
deputy ran up.
I'm sorry, but I'm true to
Man, I
my
was gonna
word.
knock your ass out till your deputy ran up talking about put your
Really?
hands behind your back.
Now,
What
when
type
were you
of
gonna do
bullshit
that?
was
When
that?
you on your back over there on the
Fuck you
corner?
mean? As soon as I heard get on,
Dude,
hands
I
behind
felt
his back,
bad
fuck
for you. That's why I stopped hitting
No,
you.
bitch.
Yeah, shut up.
Fuck you mean? You can never take me one-on-one, bitch.
I just
No,
did.
you did. You
I
really
just
did.
did.
You really did.
I just did.
You really did.
I just did. You know, the funny part is nobody came to help you.
Look, the funniest part
Nobody
is your
came to
deputy
help you.
came. Your deputy.
What's your daughter's name?
Ass kids.
What's your first name?
Fuck you.
I mean, what's her first? Is that her first name?
No, yes, her.
Like, fuck out.
That's
Why
right.
treat you?
Oh my God! Come the fuck on, really?
You could, bro. I got you, man.
You
You
funny
good.
than a motherfucker.
Does she got a
Look,
mental
Mexican
initial?
looking.
What's her birthday? son over here needs some discipline.
Man, I wish you would just get back in the street. One more goddamn time, nigga. Damn, you a
What do
bitch.
you think, Manny? Should I give him one more?
I don't know, man. It's
Yeah,
up to
right.
you,
Should I
but-
give him one more? Should I turn this off and give him one more? I don't think.
I think he's
I
done.
don't think
Man,
you
come
want a
back
kid.
later,
No, he's
bitch.
done.
I'll
I
give
don't
you your
think you
one,
want a
bitch.
kid.
Come back later while I got my
Man, if
jacket.
she comes back, will you just give us a call, please? Okay, and we'll handle her accordingly.
Yeah, she's not
And I'll
around here.
handle
So-
you when you come back, son.
Dude, I'm right here, man. You already got it, man. Don't even try. That little kid across the street's ready to whip your ass, so
Look,
don't
look,
even
look,
try.
I'll
man.
tell you what, bitch. Next time you hit me like a bitch, at least put me in cuffs.
I told you I would. I told you I would.
Olayın ardından Rosario 2 darp ve bir resmi görevi kötüye kullanma suçlamasıyla tutuklandı ve maaşsız idari izne ayrıldı. Şimdi ise hem iç soruşturmanın hem de hakkında açılan davanın sonucunu bekliyor.